Paco, start.
No. Ako na ba inom?
Naman. If may gusto kayong sabihin to anyone, that's why gusto ko sabihin.
Alright, so,
Before anyone goes out,
salamat sa inyong lahat.
or to anyone special. Diba? Sige, Kevin, start.
It's not drunk, ano?
Before you take a shot, you have to do
no.
something. You have to say something
Oh.
to everyone and to
Individually? Individually?
To everyone and who you think you should talk to individually.
Of course, later.
Salamat sa inyong lahat. If wala tayo tomorrow, it's been a blast. It's really been fun. It's been great. And
To anyone in person.
individually,
Yan.
Sweet. Napapapalo siya ng inyo.
Ano?
Sa inyo. Salamat sa inyo.
Salamat sa'yo. Thank you.
Diba kasi,
okay.
Hindi dapat marinig namin. Dapat marinig namin.
Alright,
You can't tell, what if Kuyu's gonna, like, for example, someone's gonna get evicted tomorrow, right?
Yeah, because we don't
You don't have time to talk to them.
thank you, Pamo. Thank you for the time that we spent here.
Thanks for the memories.
We're gonna see each other outside anyways, but sana you didn't have a boyfriend, huh?
Oh my gosh!
Break up.
Eting, dito ka, Eting!
Ano yun? Sige lang, dalawang break up.
Eting, dito ka, Eting!
Ano yun?
Masaya to!
Ano yun? Sige lang, dalawang pinakinggan ko dito.
No,
It's up to you.
if you want to. But it's just...
Is there content na lang?
If you have, like, things you want to say, what you want.
You want to say something?
It's just
Now it's shot.
made up thing.
Oh.
Sabihin, may gustong sabihin. Paano baka may gustong sabihin?
Ano, salamat. Ulit, salamat. Slater,
Hindi na natapos.
Carlo, Kevin,
Yun.
Paco, Denise, Tim, lahat ng yung
Everybody.
pagmamahal siguro na dati hinahanap ko sa labas. Ito ko yung nakita. Pati kay Kuya, ang dami kong natutunan dito na hindi ko inakala na kaya ko dito sa loob ng bahay na dati, lagi ko din to sinasabi kay Kuya na, Kuya, hindi ko kaya kasi yun, tingin ko sa sarili ko, lahat hindi ko kaya. Lahat ng pagmamahal na hinahanap ko sa labas, dito ko yung nakita. Kaya, salamat Slater! Carlo! Aga ko ng isa. Saka, Denise. Tin! Salamat. Paco!
Yes, what up, bro?
Ikaw!
Sinasabi ko sa'yo, basta hindi lang nakakabuntis, okay lang yun.
Bastos ka! Basta, salamat. Paco, kahit minsan hindi mo ako pinakikinggan. Salamat. Thank you. Kevin.
Yun lang? Appear lang?
Thank you. Thank you. Wala. Thank you. Thank you, Boracay Ram.